Hi, today we have our Blackmagic Designs flagship URSA Mini Pro 12K OLPF. We are going to unbox this right now. So in box you get DaVinci Resolve Studio license, power supply unit with URSA Mini Pro 12K OLPF. If you want to get it working, you can directly put it in a tripod, put a lens, and you have a power supply. You can directly go for shooting. Blackmagic Design has multiple accessories which can take this to next level. So with this camera, Blackmagic Design has three URSA Mini cinema cameras, which is URSA Mini Pro 4.6K, URSA Mini Pro 12K, and this one URSA Mini Pro 12K OLPF. This OLPF will help you while shooting in AR, VR environment like with LED background with Unreal engines. So this camera will sort out and remove any moire effect while shooting with LED walls or any displays. So that is the specialty of this camera. So we also did a demonstration on the same day of unboxing that we are going to show you right now with Mr. Vasant DOP. He did a lot of tests with the camera and he was very happy with the dynamic range as well. So I'm just going to show one single footage to make you understand how this 12K can be scalable. So this is all about URSA Mini Pro 12K. It's just the tip of the iceberg, and you have the complete ready to shoot kit over here. So you can take this camera and with the lens attached, you can go for a shoot. We'll be back with more videos regarding URSA Mini Pro 12K and more of the exciting new products. So stay tuned.